Imagine a school where every leader inspires change. This is the essence of educational leadership. Today, we'll explore foundational concepts and critical theories in this field. Educational leadership shapes effective learning environments. It focuses on guiding educators, students, and communities toward success. Leaders play vital roles in fostering growth and creating equitable educational experiences. Let's start with definitions and purposes. Educational leadership means guiding and supporting educators. It serves to enhance student learning. Leadership is not just a role but a process of influence. Next, we explore major leadership theories. Each theory provides unique insights into effective leadership styles. Trait theory emphasizes personal characteristics like confidence and integrity. Behavioral theory centers on actions, highlighting effective communication and collaboration. Now, we dive into contingency theory. This approach suggests that leadership depends on specific situations. Transformational leadership inspires and motivates change, empowering followers toward a shared vision. Instructional leadership focuses directly on teaching and learning. It involves supporting staff to enhance instructional practices. Distributed leadership shares responsibilities among team members, fostering collaboration and shared decision-making. Servant leadership prioritizes serving others, putting their needs first. Adaptive leadership encourages flexibility in responding to challenges, promoting resilience in changing environments. Let's talk about leadership ethics and values. Ethical leadership emphasizes integrity, fairness, and accountability. Professional standards guide leaders in their roles, fostering trust and respect within schools. Leadership also plays a critical role in promoting equity and social justice. It challenges systemic inequalities, advocating for marginalized voices. Educational leaders create inclusive environments where all students thrive. To illustrate, imagine a principal who embodies servant leadership. They actively listen to teachers' needs and empower them. This creates a collaborative school culture where everyone feels valued and supported. In summary, educational leadership is essential for fostering effective learning environments. By understanding key definitions, theories, and values, we are better equipped to lead. Now, it's your turn. Reflect on these concepts and think about your leadership style. How can you apply these principles? Join the conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on educational leadership.